morning, sports fans. Welcome back to my channel. Where in the world is Wayne today? Well, this morning I left my home on Pender Island and just arrived at Swartz Bay on Vancouver Island. And I am heading to meet my buddy Rick, who's also a tiger rider. And he and I are going to go ride some Forest Service roads above Sooke, BC. I think the road we're going to go to today is Muir Creek Forest Service Road. So anyway, it should be a lot of fun. Hope you enjoy this video, and we'll see you on the back end. Alrighty. Good morning. How are you?
How are you?
Not bad. You've been doing a lot more riding than I have.
Get paid by the hour, don't you?
Otter Bay on my experience card.
Okay.
I presume that 240 is already gone, right?
Yes. So there you go.
Okay.
In front of lane 50.
Yes,
okay?
ma'am.
And you're heading to Pender.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You bet. All right, folks, well, that concludes today's ride over on Vancouver Island. I am now, as you can see, at the ferry terminal. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.